Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, payment not completed while purchasing app from App Store or downloading app from App Store. So guys, if you're facing the error like this, just simply you have to close this page. Let me tell you that if you don't have enough balance in your payment method, that's why you are facing the error like this. Just simply you have to recheck and make sure that you have enough balance in your payment method. So guys, if you have enough balance and still you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do, just simply you have to open settings, now tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, you have to sign out your Apple ID, and just simply you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again. Now after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting, tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, tap on media and purchase it, then tap on view account. Now wait some second from here guys. Now as you can see guys, account setting has been opened. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to manage payment option. Let me tell you that you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, just simply you have to pay it or remove for them, or you have to also make sure that your debit card expiry date is not over. Okay guys, and also make sure that you have given correct CVV code here. Now after that, just simply have to go to your billing address and make sure that you have entered correct information here. Now after doing this guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back from here and just simply have to go to country origin option. Tap on country origin. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds. Now tap on change country origin. From here you have to select your country in which your payment method is made. Okay guys, if you have selected different country, that's why you are facing the error like this. Just simply you have to select the same country. Okay guys, now after selecting the same country guys, wait some second, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully. Tap on agree and again tap on agree and wait some second. So guys, if you have selected your payment method, you can also select account from here, and just simply you have to put your billing address here. Okay guys, just simply you have to put the billing address, so you have to put your city and its postal code. Okay guys, so if you don't know about the postal code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, and also you have to put the street or phone number. You can put fake one as well. Tap on next, and after that I'll guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.